Alright people, welcome again to another video. I say make I thank una for the likes, the share, the subscribe una they do for the channel. They encourage us the more to do more. Okay, so today na Python list we're going to look into. But first of all, make I tell you the difference between data structure and data type for Python. Data types now we don't talk about before. We'll talk about integer, we'll talk about float, we'll talk about string, and we'll talk about boolean and the rest. But when we talk about data structures for Python, we talk about list, we talk about tuple, we talk about dictionary. So this thing are very important one I need to know. So today now for inside data structures, we want to talk about list. Now what is list be? List now simply collection of data or items or values when they sequentially organized. And if we want to access those items, we they use what they call indexing till they access them. No worry, the thing they very easy. So don't let grammar confuse you. So we'll first talk about how they create list. So if you want to create list now, you see this my first stuff. I name my list is equal to. Then I use this bracket, this square bracket like this. Anything we be say you do like this now, so that they create list. So as this thing then an empty list. But if you want we be say we put values inside, say I will take one. So you see for inside the list now, I put 2, I put 4, I put 6, 7, 8, and then repeat the value again 2, 4. So you see now, so the now make we call a sequential. They get position, they get position. Now you they separate each item or value for inside a list with a comma. Make a write down for you. See, if say we get this thing like this, we'll put 2, comma, we'll put 3, put another. You see, so now that comma now we they use to separate each value from inside with the inside list. So if I run this cell like this now. You shall say it don't print all the values when they inside list. So inside the list, that's my list. So now so we they create a list for Python. So if we come down again, the next thing we'll go look now how they access list. You get that's what I tell when I say now indexing. Now to access item for inside list, now to just open this square bracket where they here like this, open square bracket, that's a square bracket, then put the index number. So if let me run this code now. If I run this code now, you see say from our list, the first item we did there, which is this place, the first item we did in IB2. So when I do my list open bracket 0, which is index 0, you see it bring 2. Now one thing I need to understand, like I put on for you, say counting starts from 0. If for example I say I come here say print, I want print the value of index 4 for inside my list. If I run them, you shall say bring 8. So if we want count for you, we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make I do them again. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now make it we get 8 for here. So now so they take the access values with the inside a list. How you take one? Just open square bracket, write the name of the list, then open square bracket, then you put the index number where you define. And don't forget say what counting starts from where 0. So that's what we do. Then also you see add or you change, you see change the item of a list. For example, now if I make I comment this line, make I print let me print the index of 2 most weighted day side. From our list, it's saying 6, 9 days. So if I bring our list come back, if I bring our list come back, make I copy the list so that we go to see them. Then paste them back here. All right. So if I bring our list come out, if you say from index 2, what do we get for here? If you count 0, count 1, count 2, it's saying 6, 9 days here. So if we do something like this now, say okay. If we do something like this now, say okay, for our list now, we won't change what it did the index 2 equals to 10. So if we come back here, do one like that, then run this code again. So if we print our list now, that 6 when they here before, it don't change to what 10. So now so we take the add or we take the change rather, take the change item when they inside the list. You go use the index number, then you equate them to the value, the new value when you want made it here. All right. So another thing I go talk again. When I go talk again, sorry, say we fit still add different data type for inside list. You see this one now, before now, all this one we dey do na numbers. This one we dey here so na numbers na dey be. But if you check this place also now, you see am say we get string, we get float, sorry, we get integer, and then we get string again. So this na just common list wey show the maths exam wey person write, the score of the person, and then if the person pass. So we fit just still play with this one, not the art. Then if we print this stuff come out, they wait for my stuff to run. I wonder why they take many seconds to run. Okay. So I get error here. Make I check the error. Say built-in function method object is not. Okay. Oh, sorry. You see now I know my error. So if I print my list again, all right. So you see I say it don't print all of these things with the here. Now I thank God I get error for this. Timona understand say sometimes error they come. So you got to be wise to know how to handle those errors. So now just to simply check the code and I say I make mistake instead of me to use bracket instead of me to use this open parentheses where they call it, so I can't use square brackets. So we'll check some built-in functions for inside Python list. Some of the built-in functions we get okay to add a value to a list. Now don't show now before how to change the value in a list using what the index number of that list. But you first still add value to a list. And how you take the do now to use the word they call the function that they call append. Now to call an append or to call a built-in function. Now to just put dot, see where I write dot append. Then inside this append, we go write the value we say we want me if they added to it. So if I bring our list, we can still copy that list again. Be like say we go use and they go the more. So let me just copy it. And I paste them back. So you see this our list now. We only get 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4. Now I want add 12 join the list. So if I do this code, if I run them, say I can't print our list back. You see I say they don't add 12 to the list. 12 now, the append don't add this value 12. It not change anything when inside the list too. It only add the value why I say may add 12 for inside the list. Now so that they add value to the list. But one thing you go know be say the value we had is saying at the ending of the list. Now you put them. So that one will lead us to what they call the insert function also. Now the insert function, the way they do and be say it they carry two we they call them we cannot use a big word, but we call them arguments. They carry two arguments, and the argument when they carry now, we say the first one now the index where you want me the thing enter, where you that value you want put. You say okay, I want put 13 for inside index 2. Now one thing they do be say it know they change value when they inside the list 2. It go only push the value when they maybe value for the index 2 like this now, like say our owner. Now 4 fair day this index 2. Make I bring our list back again. Be like set off a copy, so we don't need to copy again. I can just paste them. So you see this our list now. We get 0, 2 day for 0, 4 day for 1, and you see 6 day for 2 index 2. So we won't say okay, but this time we won't insert 13 put for this space, this index 2 way day. Now we don't want to change this thing, no? Because remember the other time we'll do with adding changing value using index. If once you put the index, this thing puts a value like this, it will change weight if edited. But this one I know they change up. So make we run this code, make you see and make you understand better. Notice as we do now, we still get 2 for where it is 0, we still get 4 for where it is as 1. Now 13 don't enter 2, and 6 don't already shift go front. It does shift enter what? Third position. So now that one that index they do. Sorry, now inserting they do for inside the list. Okay, so another thing we'll go look now sort, another built-in function for list. So what is sort they do be say it help us they align our they help us they arrange our numeric list we will get. It will say it will sort out for us from the lowest to the highest. Now so it help us they do. So like if you see this our list now, we get 2, we get 4, 6, 7, 8. We constantly get 2 and 4. The way this thing be now, normally from here to here, be like say it did well sorted. But from this place we will get now, they sorted. So another thing we will do now, we use the sort function. Make I comment this thing. We will use the sort function. We take and take sort our list. Now, once you use the sort function, take sort our list. Anytime we say we print our list comment, you go see and say it will give us new value. So make I run and make you see. Not just say it don't give us new value. It give us 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. So it does sort out from the highest, from the lowest rather to the highest. That's what sort function take the work. Then we still use sort function for alphabet. And one thing we'll let you know be say sort functions they work where we say the data type we dey inside that list now the same data type. So we know if you just come here now, like for example, now come here, come put, we will write name, we'll put string for here. So write name, we'll run and begin so that it will work. So as they take time to load. It's already take time to load, so now error you won't give us. So you see not supported. Make I scroll down when I see. See here, you see this last line now. Sorry, this last line. You see not supported, instance and string, they supported. So when I saw it be, oh yeah, make I more remover like this, then run them again. She say, make I scroll up again when I see. See I say our results already come outside. So now so sort the be. So more we'll do this. I can comment all of this down. Comment all of this. Maybe we do this our alphabet over there now. So this one we get list of C, Z, S, and A. So we want sort them. Maybe say give us better stuff. Maybe give us from like A, C down. So once you click this thing, sorry, you give us A, C, S, Z. So now so sort the work. Then another stuff again we will still use to sort our stuff now sorted. We look sorted. If you still use sorted to solve our own, but the issue be say if you use sorted one, it is sort the list entirely. You get and it go sort your list for you. Then it will affect your original list. But once you use sorted, take sort your list, it no go affect your original list. Which you go, man show now. Practice makes perfect here. So man scroll up. So when I see, so if I run this code now, can I run this code? So I say it does print, it does sort our list. Again, normally we get 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. But if we print our list back, see say despite we don't print our list back now like this, which is this line with here, so it's just saying not sort up. It sorts normally what we do before, but when we print our list back, it not affect our list. It only sort and come out. Yes, it does sort out, but it not affect them. So the way we they use sorted, the best way they use sorted, we say we go create new variable, which is this place. We'll create new variable, use and say put the value where we say we want sort, put her for inside this one. So if we run this our stuff again, let's run this one. Let's say now if we print our list now, make I write print we can put print, or better still, no need. We can just uncomment this part. If I write her, she say normal. Okay, make I still run this part. I know which I want to do. Wanna get clear. See now this first line, print sorted list. See a sort term come out. This second line, print our original list. A bring a come out in all the sorted again. Then this last line what we can do, we can carry the value of the sorted list put for inside the variable. So as I say it did like this. It already so now so we take the use sorted, take the sort our list. One beautiful thing we fit still use for inside sort again, we fit use for inside sorted again, be say we fit do what's it called? Reverse. We fit say okay, we want reverse this our list. So if I do one here now, we fit say oh we want reverse this our list. So okay, new list is equals to sorted. We sort our list. We want reverse and to become true, meaning we want maybe say start from the highest to the lowest. So if I run my code again now, you see I say this last line where they here, this last line, highlight, this last line, yeah, don't highlight everything now. Okay. So this last line where they here like this now. So I say don't carry for 8, 7, 6, 4, 4, 2, 2. So now so this they do make I uncomment this part more than see way. So I'll comment then yeah. So if I run the code again, so I say it don't resort our value. Why? What if they work like this reverse? Or they was to put reverse is equals to true. It go reverse and for us from the highest to the lowest. The other thing we'll go look again now. Now remove. Let's say we want to come out this thing, duplicate come out for inside our list. We want to come out duplicate with our list now. So this way we use now remove. And once when they remove they take the value where we say you want to remove, not be the index, so it take the value where we say you want to remove. And once you take that value where we say you want to remove, another thing again when you go understand, we say now the first duplicate where we say they inside the list, now they remove the come out. So if you see this thing, I will get 2, we get 4, we get 6, we get 7, we get 8, we get 2, we get 4. So we want to remove 2. Wait see go happen we say it go remove the first occurrence of 2 when this our list. It no go affect this other one. Make I run this one and say Control Enter. Shortcut Control Enter. So as I run and you see I remove 2 here. It don't come out the first these 2 first day here before for our list. It don't come out. But 2 still they show for here again. So you understand? So now the first occurrence of waiting day the list now they come out. So if I run, if I put, let's say I put 7 here, and we run them again. So I say it don't come out 7. We don't get 2, 4, 6, 8. It don't come out 7 for inside. So now that one be the function of remove. Then we go check another one where they call pop. Pop, what pop they do? Pop remove the last item or value where they inside the list. So the last item or value where they inside the list. Now pop they remove. Make I copy this. I want to create. Make I create a new list. So my list is equals to Ctrl V. I think the only one they miss here is 7. So sorry. Yeah, 7, comma 8, comma. All right. Space doesn't matter, but it's important to give space so that made the code for just the nice to view. So if we pop now, we say pop they remove the last thing. So if we pop now from here, we say and I say now this 4 now you come out. Pop they come out the last stuff we did the list. So once we run on like this, so I say it don't pop 4 come out. It don't pop 4 come out for inside our list. But another thing I go let you know be say anytime we pop, we use pop, it they always they return value. And the value when they return, now the last thing we decide the list, now they return. So in case we want to use the let's say we want to use the value again later, we first use that later. But make I print my list, come out my underscore list. I print them. Print underscore list. Yep. So if I run this code again, say I say 4 already come off our list. 4 don't come out, but pop bring a comma inside. So I said pop is equals to my list.pop. It will bring the last digit with inside the list. And I say bring a comment, you see I say it show, I say okay, wait to be pop. It just say now oh now pop. Like for example, now you won't come out, say okay, I won't come out the last thing within my list. But that last thing within my list, I still need that, I won't see what it be. So you just pop and comment. Then once you pop and comment with dot pop, you put that for inside a variable so that you feel print the variable. Then if you use not to do anything you want to do. But once you print the list, come back again now, you see I say it already come out 4. Then more look there. More look there. Now, one thing about there, they say there they delete item, but they use the index. I better want to say for what access list. Now, indexing will they use to the access list. Indexing and they use to the access the item of a list. So this our list we will do before. Carry and come back again. copy this our list, put them back here again. So like this our list we've do before. It says we get 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4. Now, if we say we want delete, this there not be keyword, not be functional keyword. If we say we want delete, I wait till the index 2. Wait till the index 2 here, we get 0, 1, 2. So we want come out, meaning with this index 2 now what they do, we want come out 6 from inside our list. So if we run now, since say 6 don't come out for our list, see the result now. 6 don't come up for our list. So now what there they do, not confuse, remove, pop, and there. They're very important for you to understand that. Just the same way you go understand append and index, we don't talk before. So the last thing we will do today now for this video now, our clear function or inbuilt function. So what clear they do be say it go remove everything where they inside list. So if we run this code, you see I say normally before make I uncomment this part. Say we'll print our list. Clear already remove the list come out. So let's which I will do this say I'll go write my list my underscore list is equals to, we'll just do any other list here. We'll just do, okay, so then we'll print the list commands. Print list, print my underscore list. So once we run this code again, since it don't print our list command, right? This one is just new list we will just create. No. So if we can't do dot clear commands, if we do dot clear, most okay, run them again. It print our list too. We don't do dot clear. We don't remove everything when they inside the list. I will go take check out. More run my print list again. If we run my print list again, you just say don't give us empty this thing. So this empty thing we say dot clear don't remove all the elements with inside the list. So now so we take they comot everything with inside this list. So my people, now here we go end for this video. Then we'll go see later again. We'll go talk more about dictionary, tuple, and the rest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and we're going to see again.